Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel RC Hub. So this video is going to be a complete guide on how to fix the parts of this pressure washer. It's going to be a complete different video from my usual things that I post. And so it's a Sunday morning, and I decided to fix this completely. It has been 2 days since the machine has been delivered, and I got time today. So let us begin.
समझ रहे हो
So here in the
समझ रहे हो आप
manual, as you can see, it's very tricky. I couldn't understand anything, so I had to watch a YouTube video, and that is where I decided to make this video. So these are all the parts of this Texum, pressure washer, pressure cleaner. Yeah. So the filter, the nozzle, pipe, and this is the outlet. So here the main thing is to understand how to fix these things. So let us start from this gun. So this is a gun, and the first thing that I'm gonna fix is this. Yeah, so this was the most easiest first step. And next is this part, which also is going to be for the pipe. So this end you're gonna put it for the pipe, and you have to insert this inside gently. These are all plastics, so it's not like completely solid, so you have to be careful with these. So this is done, and you have to
अरे कहना
tighten
क्या
this.
चाहते हो
This was the easiest part till here. Yeah, it is done, it's ready. Next, this is for the inlet. So here I will show you all where to fix this part. So here this is the inlet where the water enters inside the pump. This has to be fitted first. There's a filter inside, as you can see, and this has to be fitted here. Just plug in, just pull it back and plug in, and it has to go um, completely inside over here, if you notice. Yeah, just pressing it and releasing it like this. Next, so this is done. Next is the opposite side. There is an outlet. So here this has to be plugged in here in this, a little bit inserting it inside, and then rotating it. So here during the initial stage we have to remove this, because we have to add water inside the pipe and release the air, because the priming happens here. So we have to be careful about that. So this has to be the first step, where this is the inlet where I found some dust. It was the thermocol dust, so I removed it first, and then I have put that filter. And here I'm gonna apply this water. I'm gonna pour some water here, and also there's one more thermocol. Okay, that's removed, and now it is safe from the dust, the filter. And this has to be tightened here. There's one more main step which has to be done, that is by removing the air. So this external pipe, this one, has to be removed. I will show you all now. It's raining heavily here, and it's a Sunday morning. So now this, I'll be keeping it in the bucket full of water. You can even keep it for the tap, but there's one important step that you have to do it, and that is here you have to remove this, the nozzle one, that you have to remove, and you have to let the first air out. So here, as you can see, I'm turning it on and let all the air go. Yeah, see, this is what happens first. This you have to do it every time, because there will be air inside. So now today you are gonna wash your car or vehicle, and then you keep this inside. And next time when you do this, next time when you use, to wash the car, you have to do this because the priming, that's very important. You have to do, or else the motor will cease. So here the water has been, the air has been removed. Next, I'm plugging this inside and closing this. This is a major step that you have to. And sometimes this part gets extremely tight, so what you have to do is you have to just press this nozzle, and that water gets released, and then it becomes, the knob becomes easy. Here, let us see now, running it, and there's some weird sound in the beginning, and even I had it out of what just happened. There was some sound. Okay. And then the sound stops, vibration stops, and as you press the gun, this one,
Okay.
you get this pressure.
Okay.
And then you can go on then for this pressure also. There is a lot of adjustments also that can be done in the nozzle. You have to be very careful about that, not to directly go for the vehicles with the paint or any material that might cause. Here, I'm just trying to clean and have some fun. Hope you like this video, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down in the comment section, and I will be happy to reply. You can just continue cleaning this. Oh, but do notice that if you are using a bucket, the water gets empty very fast. So you have to keep one more pipe to fill the water in this bucket. That is very important. Thank you for watching.